Welcome to Techie Vibes, tech that talks, learns, and grows with you. In today's video, I am
7
excited to show you my AI project, a gesture control calculator with voice feedback.
3
This project allows you to perform basic
0
arithmetic operations using just your
5
hand gestures. No keyboard or mouse needed. And
minus
once you complete the calculation, it reads out the
1
result aloud. I built this project using
1
Python with OpenCV for real-time video processing, MediaPipe
multiply
for hand gesture recognition, and PyTTSX3 for
6
the voice output. First, your webcam captures your
divide
hand movement. MediaPipe detects the position of your
3
fingers and classifies the gesture, whether it's a number or
plus
an operator. These gestures are converted into a mathematical expression in real time. Once you show
plus
the equals gesture, the expression is evaluated and
2
the result is spoken aloud. Into action on the gesture calculator. As you can see, the gesture calculator has an expression and a result column. In the expression, the numbers and the operators will be displayed, and the final result will be displayed in the result column, and also an audio feedback will be given. If I am showing one finger on the right hand, it indicates number 1. Similar is the case with from numbers 1 to 5. So, for example, if I want to show number 3, I have to show 3 fingers on my right hand. If I want to show 0, I have to show 0 fingers my right hand. For numbers from 6 to 9, I have to use both hands. For example, if I want to show number 6, I have to use my 5 fingers on left hand and 1 finger on right hand. And also, if I want to show number 9, I have to use 5 fingers on the left hand and 4 fingers on the right hand. If I want to show the operators, I have to use the left hand. If I want to show addition, I have to use 1 finger on the left hand. 2 fingers indicates subtraction, 3 multiplication, and 4 fingers on the left hand indicates division. And for getting the final result, I have to show 5 fingers on my left hand. If I want to undo the last expression, I have to use 0 fingers on my left hand. Let's go into the demo of the gesture calculator.
7 plus 3 0 5 minus 8 multiply 1 1 divide 4. The result is
So, as you see,
290.0.
the final result is displayed and also a audio feedback is also given for the final result. This project is designed to be inclusive since it uses gesture-based input and voice feedback. Visually impaired users can perform calculations without relying on physical keypads or screen. Get immediate feedback of results. Use it in learning environments where assistive tools are essential. The goal is to create a more accessible and intuitive experience for users who rely on non-visual interactions. If you like this project, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos and let me know your feedback in comments. Thank you.